Understanding the frost-free date, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase that's particularly relevant for gardeners, farmers, and anyone interested in the weather. The frost-free date. Understanding this term is not just about language, but also about culture and geography. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. The term, frost-free date, refers to a specific time in the year after which the likelihood of frost is minimal. This date is crucial for gardening and agriculture because frost can damage or kill plants. Knowing the frost-free date for a particular area helps gardeners and farmers decide when to plant crops. Understanding the frost-free date is important for several reasons. Protects plants. It helps in safeguarding plants from unexpected frosts. Planning. Offers a guideline for planting schedules. Climate indicator. Serves as an indicator of the local climate and seasonal changes. The frost-free date is not the same everywhere. It varies based on geographical location. Places closer to the poles have later frost-free dates. Local weather patterns. Areas with specific climatic conditions may have different dates. Historical data. Meteorologists use past weather data to predict the frost-free date. Let's look at some examples. In New York, the frost-free date is typically around May 15th. Farmers wait for the frost-free date to plant their crops. These sentences show how the term is commonly used in English-speaking countries. I hope this video has shed light on what the frost-free date means and why it's important. Remember, it's not just a phrase, but a key part of understanding gardening, farming, and even weather patterns in English-speaking countries. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.